get your head inside, but you have to, your glasses, you have to hold them, because if you lose them, then you're... So they built this house on the English. I can do it in English.
Oh, this is nice.
That's very nice. For the bow. We also get everything what surrounds us for the museum. And do you see those? This ship?
Yeah.
That is the half moon, the half maan.
Yeah.
And it lay here in the harbor. You can walk, when you walk, so have a drink and something to eat, then you can see this one for real.
You see.
He lays there. No air in this one. I will put my finger away.
Yeah.
It's vacuum, so
So the Moors, yeah.
yeah.
It's not like voodoo, right? No?
No. At least not that I know. I hope not.
Otherwise, it's very
Otherwise, it's very
scary.
Yeah. I walk by it every once in a while. Very difficult.
Yes, you're right.
He's loading now.
Yeah.
I'll put it on, and then I'll put it in your language.
Around the boat, and if he took the boat up, and the erected boat would suggest. Well, that's the principle. This is the boat that we're going to